With the thatch rake here, this allows you to get ready to get this dead patches of grass up off, or any other sort of leaves and junk that you might have during spring or fall cleanup. So I have everything together here. And let me show you a close-up just of how this works to get some of this dead grass up. So got a couple options here. You've got the smaller teeth. That's really going to get in, or you can flip it over if you've got bigger areas. I like to use that kind of like in my rocks, where it really starts to pull the bigger things out. But really great option. If you want to adjust the pole, you can certainly adjust the pole by taking out lengths if you've got to get into more like difficult spots. But this works great. A great tool for spring cleanup. I think you'll love it. So when you get the thatch rake, it's going to come in a box just this size. And then everything is included. You've got the instructions right here. Let's go ahead and pull everything out. It's just really a few steps to put together. We've got the hardware and also the wrench and the Allen wrench. All right, so I've gotten everything out of the box here, and the first part is to attach this green piece to the actual thatch part of the rake itself. So that involves 4 bolts and screws, and then you start putting the handle together. The handle piece is just 2 more bolts, and then I gradually add the additional poles as we go along. Voila, it's assembled.